think it's important to involve students in the different job opportunities that are involved with apprenticeship, engineering projects, and just give them that knowledge as they're looking to join the job force.
To see high school students totally engaged in the field trip was exciting to see, and just the opportunities that are available.
I know that I've seen the excitement and the questions that they ask. It works out to be great for all parties involved. Southland also does do scholarships. So and not only are they backing them with just showing them the options that are out there in the world, we're also incentivizing them to show, hey, we're here to support you guys.
We have the ability to offer an alternative career path for students who aren't necessarily interested in going the college route. So I think it's good to give students options. I think it's good to invest in local communities. Well, I think it's important for students to have at least the insight into careers in engineering and the skilled trades in BIM and energy efficiency.
My favorite part today was building a toolbox. I really liked it because it was hands-on. Everyone was really helpful and they didn't make me feel like I was asking a dumb question. And it was just very fun to do it. I never expected to do it today.
I like the toolbox one too, but then I also like doing the pipes where we're able to use the torch and then the metal, have it go around the copper. I think that was like really cool and hands-on, and a lot of the people that are like teaching us, like showing us stuff, like they're really interacting and really friendly. I felt involved like I already knew the guy, so it's like I wasn't nervous.